So this plant or weed, this one here with the spiky ball, is called burdock. Now it can be made into a drink, particularly the roots, and it's used a lot in Asian cooking. The leaves can be eaten, but though they are quite bitter, it's usually the root that is used in to make a drink, or you can use it in pickles, or can be cooked and added to other recipes. But yeah, the spiky balls sort of cling to your clothing or cling to any animal's fur that walk past, and that helps spread it around everywhere, and it's widely found around the UK and other parts of the world. So that is burdock, and it grows just about anywhere. So as with anything, if you're going to eat it, you need to check what it is for sure that you're going to eat it, and stay safe, cook it properly, prepare it properly, and if you're not sure, 100% sure what it is, don't put it in your mouth. So burdock, a very common weed.